Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude to WordPress. First, go to the Novamera official website and download the plugin zip file. Once the download is complete, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add Plugin, and upload the Novamera zip file you downloaded. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, open the Novamera settings page. Make sure the option called Turn on AI Abilities is enabled, then click Save Settings. Next, click Generate Application Password. WordPress will create a password for AI access. Instead of using the Quick Connection option, scroll down and click the link called Need the JSON configuration for a specific client. You'll see several platform options. Select Claude Desktop. A JSON configuration will appear. Copy the entire configuration. This process works on both Windows and Mac. Now open Claude Desktop. Click Settings, then go to Developer and select Edit Config. On Mac, you may see a file named Claude_config.json. Open that file. Delete any existing content in the configuration file and paste the JSON configuration you copied from WordPress. After pasting it, go to File and click Save. Do not use Save As, because that creates a duplicate file and Claude may continue using the old configuration. Make sure you overwrite the existing file by using Save. Close the configuration window. Next, completely close Claude Desktop and then open it again. This reloads the new configuration and connects Claude to WordPress. To confirm the connection, go back to Settings and open the Developer section. You should now see that the WordPress connection is active. That's how to connect Claude to WordPress. Thanks for watching.